So this is everything I bought to Japan for 3 weeks in winter. So we've got pants, electronics, jumpers and sweaters, shirts, my 2 jackets here, and my shoes. And then we've just got my passport, toiletries, and my laptop. I'm just going to pause the video for a sec, so if you want to screenshot the packing list, please do. I may have forgotten some stuff from the packing list, but I've gotten a majority of it. I don't think I've forgotten anything. The lighting does change throughout the video as well, just because the sun was going behind the clouds. Alright, back to the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm just going to be showing you exactly what I bought to Japan for my 3-week trip in February this year. So it was winter there, it was very cold. I fit it all in this backpack. It was all about 15 kilos. Let's just talk about how this Kathmandu backpack, I got it for $40 in St. Vinny's in the op shop. Bloody bargain. And my carry-on was this little super dry backpack. I just put all of my important things in here, like my laptop and passport and just an extra spare change of clothes or 2. So I took 15 kilos of checked baggage and then just my little super dry backpack, and that was plenty. So I've actually been to Japan 2 times now, and the first time it was in the middle of summer and I went for 3 months, and I fit everything into this backpack here. I'll show you. So it was much smaller, and that was for 3 months. But this time I decided to take a bigger backpack just for jackets and things like that, and if I wanted to bring anything back. I definitely recommend bringing a suitcase if you are bringing a lot of clothes. And if you do have heavier luggage, I definitely recommend a suitcase, just because lugging around 15 kilos on my back was a pain in the ass. It was so hard. And when I was on the trains, I'll be standing there with my backpack on and I'll be knocking people out of the way, but I realized I was knocking people out. And I took it off and put it on the ground, but then I had to quickly rush and squeak it on my back when we got to the train station that I needed to get off at. And yeah, Japan is really suitcase friendly. They have a lot of escalators and lifts and stuff. Next time I'll definitely be taking a suitcase or just a really small backpack and a small carry-on suitcase. How I fit everything into the Kathmandu backpack, I pretty much I got 2 of these packing cubes. I just got them from the Daiso in Carousel. I don't know what I put in this. This is just like a little mesh bag. I think I put my undies and stuff in here, I don't know. So when I was packing, I would just roll up my clothes and shove them into the packing cube, and then I fit them into the bag, and I put my Doc Martens in the bag as well. I actually bought 1 pair of gloves over there. They were like snow gloves that were waterproof, which were really handy, especially in the snowy areas, obviously. When I got to Japan, I just went to 7-Eleven or one of the convenies, and I got just a basic pair of thermal gloves. Yeah, so they're just like really basic, really cheap. I think these were like $5 or something. They might have been a bit more, I honestly can't remember. Yeah, these are fine. Like, I don't really need anything else. You can just put your hands in your pockets and buy those cheap hand warmers from the conveni, and those work a treat. So yeah, this is what I got. I don't really care what my hands look like when it's cold, I just want them to be warm. This was the bag that I wore, like my little handbag that I wore the whole time. It's from Uniqlo. It's, I don't know what it's called, but it was like 20 bucks from Uniqlo in Australia. So it's just this little, I think it's called a moon bag. It literally fits everything in it, but it looks so small. Like, I would fit my little phone tripod in there, my phone, my passport, my coin purse, a little water bottle that you can get. It was like a water bottle like this big that you can get from the convenience stores. Literally everything fit in here, and I'll just have that attached to me. And it doesn't clip on or anything, so it's safe. At Convenies, they give you plastic bags a lot, so I just bought this little fold away bag that it'll fit perfectly in my little moon bag from Uniqlo, and it just undoes like that. And if you want to make a late night trip to the convenience and buy some snacks, you put it in that little bag rather than getting a plastic bag every time. Or you can just juggle everything and carry it back to your accommodation. That's also fine. I did bring I bought 3 beanies. One of them was just a black one, a cream one. This one's kind of too small for my head. And then when I was over there, I saw that everyone was wearing these like little cute fluffy bucket hats. So I wanted one too. And I love it. It kind of looks, I don't know, it depends. Sometimes it looks weird, but I like it. I'm very much a hat person, so I have lots of hats. Yeah, and I bought a scarf as well that I borrowed off my sister, so I can't show you that right now either. This is like a big thing. Bring a little coin purse, preferably not as thin as this shitty one, because this is like a shit Kmart one, and the freaking zipper broke. It's just crap. You can buy a coin purse over there, but yeah, they still use change, they use cash and stuff over there, and you will accumulate a lot of coins. Yeah, I still have some. I ended up taking 2 jackets, so one black Kathmandu puffer jacket which I borrowed, and I did buy one coat because I could not buy it. It was like 40 bucks, and that's like unheard of in Australia. I'll show you it. I'll go grab it. It's this coat here. It kind of gives off, it's giving Sherlock Holmes because of this little flap here, but I love it. And the back, there's like a little flap here, but yeah, this was so freaking warm. And then I bought this leather jacket. It's like a leather blazer, and I mainly layered. I did a lot of layering, so I was pretty warm. I spent 5 days in Tokyo and 5 days in Sapporo during the Sapporo Snow Festival. In Tokyo it wasn't really that cold. It was just like Australian winter, so I didn't need to layer too much there, but in Sapporo I've never felt that cold in my entire life. There were literally piles of snow on the street just like as tall as me. With shoes, I bought my Docs, my platform Docs. I did get laughed at for wearing these in the snow. Yeah, they were fine in Tokyo and they were okay in Sapporo, but for Sapporo I definitely recommend bringing shoes that are slip resistant or have some sort of grip on the bottom of them, because I got off the bus with my big massive 15-kilo backpack on my back and my little backpack on my front, and I had to walk about 5 or 10 minutes to my hostel, and I was like slipping and sliding everywhere. It was so embarrassing. But yeah, I ended up so I bought my Doc Martens and my Air Forces. Actually no, I had these on when I got off the bus, and there's literally no, it's just flat on the bottom. That was a bad idea. Anyways, when I went to Hakuba, I was in Hakuba for like 3 or 4 days, I can't remember. Yeah, I went there and I ended up buying these shoes for like 40 bucks. Really great purchase. Oh my god, there's horses on them. Oh my god. Look, there's little horse heads on them. I'm a horse girl, so I love that. Anyways, it was a great purchase because I could just, they're like waterproof, they're warm, they have really good grip on them, so I could just like run in the snow and I wouldn't slip. Definitely recommend. If you can just wait until you get there and go to an ABC Mart or something in Tokyo and just get a pair of these, or buy secondhand winter boots or something like that. I don't know. If you only have Doc Martens or something like that, that's fine. You're just going to be slipping around everywhere. Yeah, and just have warm socks on. I also ended up bringing some thongs. Yes. These are thongs. Just for in hostels and stuff like that when you're having a shower. You don't want to get anyone's foot germs on you, so you just wear some thongs in the shower. 10 out of 10. I also just wanted to say that I took very little clothes because I knew that I could wash my clothes over there. They do have washing machines and laundromats and stuff, so you really only need to take enough clothes for 7 days and then you can just wash them and rewear them. I bought 2 pairs of thermal long sleeve shirts and 2 pairs of thermal leggings. It's a Heat Tech, Uniqlo Heat Tech extra warm leggings. So they're pretty thin. I really recommend these. They're pretty warm and they fit nicely underneath jeans and stuff. In Sapporo, at night time it was cold, but I wore these and my little linen pants, just because I had to run to the konbini and I did not feel like putting jeans on. So I just wore these pants with those thermal leggings. And then I bought 1 pair of black jeans. They're like just loose jeans, like 1 pair of blue jeans. So like this color. These are like really loose fit. At least 1 pair of blue jeans and one pair of black jeans, so you can interchange them. My goal was to bring clothes that I can swap and like use beanies and scarves, even though I only bought 1 scarf. Use beanies, scarves and jackets, like the outer layers, to mix and match so that I didn't look the same in all my photos, which I think I did alright. I bought 1 pair of trackies and 2 long sleeve shirts. So I bought like turtleneck shirts, sort of. So this was my first shirt and this is my second shirt. It's inside out, but yeah, it's just like kind of neutral but kind of not neutral colors, but all of these interchange with each other nicely. This is the warmest jumper that I got. I bought 2 sweaters, this cream one here that I got from Uniqlo, which is a great investment because it's so warm, and I borrowed it's like a black grey one that is also a turtleneck and it's similar to this, but it's just a different colour. I made a few different outfits out of this. Oh, and I also bought this jumper. It was a nice little pop of colour. I would just throw it together with anything. I'm not really like a big fashionista kind of person, so I don't know if any of these look good, but I thought they would look nice. And I also bought a outfit for Singapore because I was going to be in Singapore for like 15 hours or something. There was a 15-hour layover. So I just bought a pair of bike shorts and a shirt for that. So in terms of toiletries, I didn't bring much just because I knew I could get stuff over there. I just brought hand sanitizer, some sunscreen, deodorant because they don't really sell deodorant over there, so definitely bring your own. Face moisturizer. Did I bring face wash? I can't really remember. Yeah, face wash, deodorant, and makeup. I fit my makeup into this little bag here. This bag here as well. It's a little Morphe bag. I bought my toothbrush with me and I just bought toothpaste, like a mini one. I didn't really use it, but I bought my hair curler. Don't know why. I think I used it like once. I bought these Dettol wipes. They're really good for wiping down the plane, like the seats and the tray table and stuff like that, to get rid of germs. I'll show you photos of what I look like with my backpack, with my 2 backpacks on. It honestly just looks so stupid, but oh well, they're never gonna see me again. When I went over there, I had really long hair, like it was like down to here, and I decided that I wanted a haircut. When I was in Kyoto, I went into a hairdresser and they didn't speak English at all. But yeah, I just asked them, can they cut my hair short? And they did it, and they literally did it exactly like the photo that I showed them. Like, they styled it and everything. And it was only like $40 or $50, and that would have costed like, I reckon about $100 in Australia, or in Perth at least. I did not buy the JR pass, even though I was there for 3 weeks. Just wasn't really within my budget. I actually just caught overnight buses and flew. which was like, it was like 200 bucks to fly from Tokyo to Sapporo to Osaka, and then it was like between 40 and 60 bucks to get an overnight bus. So I caught the overnight bus from Kyoto to Hakuba, and then a bus was about 5 hours from Hakuba back to Tokyo, so I could catch my plane the next day. I actually went on my own for 3 weeks, so there were times when I would just make a noise like, to hear my own voice, because I wouldn't talk for like a day or two. Yeah, I was on my own for 3 weeks, and it was a bit scary, but it was amazing. Like, I definitely recommend it to anyone, especially if you're female. Japan is probably one of the safest places to go. Obviously, you have to be careful everywhere, but yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a video sometime soon, hopefully, about how I packed for 3 months in my little blue backpack. Hopefully you found this video helpful. It's just from my own personal experience and my own opinions on things. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you want to see more. I plan on doing some more Japan videos in the future, just because if you know me personally, then you know that I'm a little obsessed with Japan. That's pretty much it. Alright, thanks for watching, bye! Is this too close? Subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.